Drone enthusiasts and surveillance specialists, today we're diving deep into the world of cutting-edge smart binoculars that will transform how you track, observe, and analyze aerial activity. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional photographer, or someone concerned about privacy and security, these technological marvels will change your perspective. Quite literally. First up, the Bushnell Equinox Z Digital Night Vision Binoculars. During daylight hours, these binoculars offer crystal-clear 6x digital magnification that brings distant drones into sharp focus. The high-contrast optics mean you'll catch every detail of aerial movement, from consumer quadcopters to professional survey drones. The color display provides rich, vibrant imagery that makes tracking smooth and precise. When darkness falls, the Equinox Z truly comes alive. Its advanced infrared technology allows you to detect drone movements up to 500 feet away, even in near-total darkness. The built-in IR illuminator transforms night into day, revealing drone silhouettes with startling clarity. The Bushnell Equinox Z offers exceptional advantages, including its night vision capabilities, compact and lightweight design, and micro SD card support for recording. It provides versatile day and night performance at a reasonable price point. However, users should be aware of some limitations. The battery life can be limited during extended night use, and some users report occasional focusing challenges. The digital zoom can sometimes reduce image quality, and the device is not waterproof in heavy conditions. Enter the Rexing B1 Digital Night Vision Binoculars. Boasting a full HD 1080p video recording system, the Rexing B1 captures daytime drone movements with scientific precision. The 4x digital zoom allows you to track distant aerial objects with remarkable clarity. The 1.5 inches LCD display provides real-time feedback, making it feel like you're operating a high-tech surveillance system. When sunlight fades, the B1 transforms. Its infrared night vision extends an impressive 300 meters, turning the darkest night into a transparent landscape of drone activity. The built-in illuminator ensures that no aerial movement goes unnoticed, whether it's a hobbyist drone or a potentially unauthorized surveillance device. The Rexing B1 comes with several notable advantages. It offers an extensive 300-meter night vision range, full HD video recording, and 32 GB of internal memory. The rechargeable battery and excellent price-to-performance ratio make it an attractive option. However, potential buyers should consider its drawbacks. The device is slightly bulkier than some competitors, has limited internal memory, and can struggle with extremely low light conditions. Users will also need to be mindful of periodic battery recharging. Our final contender is the Bestguarder NV904.5x40 Digital Night Vision Binoculars. With 4.5x magnification and HD 1280x 720 recording capabilities, the NV900 transforms daylight drone tracking into a professional-grade experience. The wide-angle lens captures expansive aerial scenes, allowing you to track multiple drones simultaneously with incredible detail. This is where the NV900 truly shines. Its 1,000-meter viewing range turns night into an open book of aerial movements. The powerful infrared illuminator reveals drone activities that would be completely invisible to the naked eye, making it the ultimate tool for nighttime drone observation. The Bestguarder NV900 stands out with its unprecedented 1,000-meter viewing range and HD video recording capabilities. Its large 4 inches display screen and exceptional low-light performance are complemented by a comfortable ergonomic design. However, this top-tier performance comes with some considerations. The device has a higher price point and can be complex for beginners. It's relatively heavy compared to compact models and requires careful handling of its sensitive electronics. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, a security professional, or simply curious about aerial technologies, these smart binoculars represent the cutting edge of observation technology. The Bushnell offers versatility, the Rexing provides exceptional value, and the Bestguarder delivers unparalleled performance. Each brings something unique to the world of drone watching. Drone observation requires careful consideration and adherence to best practices. Users should always respect local privacy and drone regulations, practice using their device in various lighting conditions, and keep batteries fully charged. It's crucial to consider environmental factors like humidity and temperature and understand the legal implications of drone surveillance. Your choice depends on your specific needs, budget, performance requirements, and intended use. Whether tracking wildlife, monitoring security, or exploring aerial photography, these binoculars will revolutionize your perspective. The sky is no longer the limit. It's your new frontier of observation.